What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and we got a new project. 2019 Lamborghini Performante, brand new car pretty much. Car has only 500 miles. Nick from VF Engineer brought it to us. We're gonna do some modifications to it. We're gonna install Vorsteiner front forged carbon lip. Also, we're doing fenders with the forged carbon air ducts. And then for the final, we're gonna install the forged carbon rocker moldings, side skirts. So it's gonna give that nice aggressive look to it. It's gonna be one of a kind. So enough of this talk, let's pull the car inside of the shop and start taking it apart. Right now I'm gonna make a quick trip to our Vorsteiner headquarters and pick up the fenders and the front lip. So I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. Pulling up to Vorsteiner headquarters. Let's see, they're supposed to be right here on the right side. Up there they are. Looks like that's them right here. Let's go inside and get our goodies. So I just got all the goodies, and here they are. Front lip, both fenders. The Benz comes in handy dandy. My truck for now. So let's head back to the shop and start taking the Lamborghini apart and start working on it. And we're back, and here's the goodie. So yeah, once we're ready to test fit, I'll open everything up and I'll show you guys what the fenders look. This is the front lip, and we already had the rockers. So this is the rockers. So see, they're gonna be all forged carbon. Wow, this thing's gonna look amazing. And I got the Lamborghini inside of the shop. We could start taking everything apart and test fitting everything, make sure everything lines up good. And if it does, we could start painting them and installing them back in the car. But let's take a closer look exactly what's going on. We gotta remove this bumper. Pretty much I gotta take the whole front end apart. These fenders are getting removed. We're gonna switch them out. Bumpers stained, but we're gonna add a front lip. So that's gonna make the car even more lower and look aggressive. And then same with the rockers, with the side skirts. Right now they're black, so we're gonna put the forged carbon to match up the interior pieces, and the spoiler and the rear bumper already comes with the forged carbon. Let's check it out. Yeah, spoiler already comes with it, forged carbon, and same with the rear bumper. It's already comes with forged carbon. So we're gonna install those, and it's gonna be all even forged carbon. Lots of forged carbon on this car. This thing's gonna be a beast. And also NIGUEL VF engineer, they already installed the supercharger on this thing, so this thing probably really fast. Check out this. Wow, look how beautiful it is. I like this color too. So yeah, this thing is beautiful. I love this color too, white with forged carbon and black wheels. It's gonna be top notch, so can't wait to install the goodies and see the final picture, the final product, how everything looks. Start by removing everything from the trunk, all the covers, so we could get to the bumper bolts and to the fender bolts. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I gotta remove all those covers to get to the bolts, so we could remove the bumper and the fender. Removed everything from the trunk, so everything is free, and now we could get to the bolts. Let me show you. Everything, all the covers are removed. Oh, you got 1, 2, 3 bolts out top holding the fender, and then screws holding the bumper on top. So yeah, in order to get to the screws, you gotta remove everything. And next, we're gonna start removing the bumper and then the fenders. So I removed the wheels right now, so next what we're gonna do, I gotta remove the fender liners on both sides and also the under shield. And yeah, we'll get to the bumper bolts, unplug the harness for the sensor, and the bumper should come off. So let's do it. just removed the front bumper. And man, there was like 30 screws to remove the front bumper. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the rocker molding, the side skirts, in order to get to the fenders. So that's next. Let's do it. Remove the fender and the rocker, so this side we're finished. So next we're gonna do the other side, same thing. Gotta remove the rocker first and then fender, and we'll start test fitting the new fenders. So far everything going super smooth. So let's jump on the other side, remove everything, and start test fitting the new fenders. So in order to remove the rocker molding, there's a bunch of screws at the bottom, and then also you gotta remove this. There's a screw here holding this, and then a screw here holding the rocker. And then also you got to remove this emblem as well. It's on double tape, so what you do, you heat it up with a heat gun and then slowly just remove it. And then there's a screw, one screw right here stashed away, and then a couple of screws right here, and then one more on this side, and then the rest clips. And you got a screw right here at the bottom. And that's it. Comes off, and then we'll remove the fender. Bada bing, bada boom. Just removed the rocker molding and the fender. So now we're ready to start test fitting the new fenders, the Vorsteiners. Here's the new fenders. Let's take a closer look and comment below what do you guys think about those fenders. Do you guys like them? Let me know. Check it out. Wow, beautiful. Look at the awesome forged carbon, how it stands out. So definitely gonna be nice, aggressive look to it to match the rest of the car. Yeah, so we'll start test fitting them, and if everything lines up, gaps are perfect, we're gonna start painting them and reinstalling them. Took the whole Lamborghini apart, and this is what it looks like. It looks pretty cool, huh? Little transformer. So we'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 2. In part 2, we're gonna start test fitting the fenders, make sure everything lines up, gaps are perfect. If everything is good, we'll start painting them, and I'll show you guys the whole painting process as well, so don't go nowhere. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification because you don't want to miss any new videos. So thank you once again. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!